Hello friends, take this glass and cut it from the top. After cutting it from the top, start cutting it from inside. And after cutting it from inside, you can see that how you are going to take these thin strips of this glass in this manner. And after doing so, you can simply color them. After coloring one side, you can rotate or turn the another side into this manner. After rotating the another side, your hairs will be done and you can give a smiley look on the face of this girl. You need another glass for your next art. For that, first you need to cut it from the top, and after cutting it from the top, you need to insert a straw inside it. After inserting a straw, you can simply see that how wonderfully we have inserted these eyes of a frog, and this container looks really cool and it works really nicely. After cutting the glass into this manner, first you need to spread it into this shape, and after spreading it like this, you can see that how wonderfully we are going to make a wristwatch out of it. Well, yes, after writing the numbers, you can simply proceed toward the making of needles of the clock, and then you can proceed toward the next step and you can simply add some art to it and your wristwatch is ready. Take these products and then start following the steps that are being shown in this video. Now you need to spread this cotton into this form, and this sheep will look really great while the big eyes are being placed and the sheep is ready. After cutting the face of this with the help of a cardboard, you can simply proceed towards the making of this art. Now you need to first draw the face and take some clay, and take the clay that is needed to be placed on the ears and on the eyes too. After that, you can proceed towards the another step. Now spread some clay inside it, and then now spread these two. After spreading these empty shells, you can make a few ears filled with teeth of this rhino. Well, now you need another sheet and make this. After making this, you have guessed it right, that here's how beautiful the fox type mask looks. Now you need to paste these leaves, and after pasting these leaves, you can take another color of leaves. After that, you can simply start pasting it on the top, and that's how wonderfully it has been made. Now you need these strips, and after pasting these strips or the another pair of strips like these, you can simply just note these dimensions of the another sheet and start pasting it like this. After pasting it like these, you can see that how wonderfully we have inserted them in between and how cute it looks. Take the container and then start wrapping these into this manner. After wrapping that, you can make some ears that are needed to be placed on the top of the container, and you can continue the process of making face. Now attach a battery on the lid container and then see how beautifully it will glow. As you can see, you are done with this art. Thanks for watching this video.